Good morning. Thanks for tuning in to your daily Wallops weather briefing for Wednesday, September 25th. Just seeing some partly cloudy skies out there this morning. We are going to be continuing our dry stretch here for the next several days at least. I'm going to be seeing temperatures just a couple degrees above average for this time of year as we go towards this afternoon. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, we did see some light northwesterly winds this morning as we have high pressure starting to build into the Wallops region. Winds have become pretty light and variable, though, in the last hour, and will continue to be light and variable as we go towards the rest of the morning hours and into the early afternoon, as that high pressure pretty much sits directly overhead. Then this evening, that high will begin to shift a little bit east of the area. That'll help to shift those winds a little bit more southerly, giving us some warmer return flow, helping to give us some mild lows once again tonight. Taking a look at our upper level winds briefly this morning, did see just at the surface those winds running north to northwesterly around 10 knots and then weakening a bit just above the surface, seeing those winds northwesterly running between about 15 to 25 knots between 6,000 and 16,000 feet. We were seeing a little bit of a departing jet in the far upper levels, and that's why we got those 50 knots winds from the west-northwest at the 25,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing level this morning just above 15,000 feet. Take a quick look at our satellite this morning. Really seeing some fairly beautiful conditions out there. Just a little bit of upper level cirrus mainly is what we're going to see today. And that's going to continue into this afternoon as well. Seeing those temperatures near 80 degrees under these beautiful, mostly sunny skies with those light winds. Going to be just a wonderful day outside today. Taking a look at our forecast for today, that temperature is going to be high near 80 degrees this afternoon, seeing a fairly mild low near 67 tonight due to those south-southwesterly winds developing. Winds are going to remain light and variable as we go into the early afternoon hours, becoming southerly towards the late afternoon into early evening, and south-southwesterly around 3 to 8 knots overnight, and then increasing as we go towards the mid-morning hours of Thursday around 7 to 12 knots. Taking a brief look at our terminal forecast, just going to be seeing mainly a scattered or broken deck of cirrus clouds this afternoon. Just a couple of clouds between 3,000 and 4,000 feet expected as we go towards the lunchtime hour. And then tonight, pretty much seeing the same thing. Might see a little bit of a cloudiness increase in the mid-levels near 15,000 feet by mid-morning tomorrow as we get a little bit more moisture moving into the area. We are seeing tides about a half foot above normal along the Delmarva Atlantic coast this morning. Take a quick look in our extended model here. Really not going to be seeing too much exciting weather as we go through the next several days, as high pressure will remain control as we go throughout today and then to tomorrow as well. We'll see those winds shift a little bit more southwesterly as we go into our day tomorrow, and that'll help to warm things up just a little bit. Still remaining just partly cloudy and dry tomorrow. We are going to be seeing a frontal passage tomorrow evening. Could be given some showers across the tide water area, but really doesn't look like too much of any rain chances here across the Wallops region. All that's going to do is increase some cloudiness as we go into late tomorrow. And then for Friday, behind that front, we are going to be seeing a little bit of a drop in our temperatures as we get some drier, somewhat cooler air moving to the area. Expect those temperatures back down to more seasonable levels in the mid to upper 70s for our Friday. As we go into our weekend, we are going to be seeing high pressure start off the weekend Friday evening, and then as we go into Saturday, those winds are going to shift a little more southerly or a little onshore, and that's going to help to keep our temperatures in check. Also going to be seeing a little bit muggy out there, but temperatures will be only into the mid 70s under mostly cloudy skies. For late in the day Saturday, going to be seeing those winds shift more southerly. That'll help to increase moisture. Also going to be seeing a front approach the region late Saturday into Sunday. That could give us a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm pop-up, mainly Sunday, but only looking around 20 to 30% chance of seeing a pop-up shower or storm Sunday as we get that little bit of a weak front lingering across the area. But really, that's our biggest rain chance here for the extended outlook as we go into next week. We're going to have high pressure starting to settle into the area again, drying things out and giving us some more serene weather. So taking a look at our extended outlook here. Today going to be partly cloudy, 80 degrees. Tomorrow, as we get a little bit more of a southwesterly flow ahead of that weak front, we are going to see those temperatures bump up with a high of 86. And not expecting any rain with that front tomorrow late afternoon. Just going to help to increase that cloudiness just a little bit. And then we'll get that frontal passage Thursday evening, and on Friday that'll help to just give us some partly cloudy skies with a seasonable temperature of 77 as we get some somewhat cooler and drier air moving into the area. As we go into Saturday, we are going to be having those winds shift a little more southerly or south-southeasterly ahead of our next front. That'll help to increase moisture across the region, give us a temperature a little bit above normal of around 82 degrees. Does look like it's going to be partly to mostly cloudy on Saturday, only running around a 10% chance of a sprinkle, so can't completely rule out an isolated shower across the region, but looks very unlikely at this time. Sunday, we are going to be seeing that weak front slow over the area. It does look pretty weak, but we are seeing models outputs a little bit of a chance of some pop-up showers and storms across the region. However, only looks like 20% chance, and as you can see in our outlook here, that is going to be our best chance to see any sort of rainfall across the region as we remain locked into a very dry pattern. Behind that weak front that's going to cross the area on Sunday, we're going to get some onshore flow developing. That's going to give us some mostly cloudy skies across the area Monday, with a high only getting up to about 75 degrees. Then Tuesday, we'll start to see some high pressure building back into the area. That'll help to shift those winds a little bit more southerly, helping to bump our temperatures back up to 80 under partly cloudy skies. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. and at 10 a.m. Have a great day.